The LG V20 user here, and today I will be showing you guys AZ screen recorder. So this is a favorite screen recorder for Android. It's available for any device that runs 5.0 or higher with no root. So that's good. So that's what the app looks like when you guys open it up and go to the settings. Once you guys open up the app for the first time, you guys will see a bubble or a bar on your screen, and you have access to different settings and such. So once you guys click on the settings thing, you guys will be brought to the screen right here. So yeah, so you guys got control options. You guys got a whole bunch of settings in here, and so stuff like that. So if you guys click on the three dots, you guys will have that. You can subscribe to them on YouTube, Wi-Fi transfer, rate the app 5 stars, or how you like the app or whatever. Send feedback, share the app, language, more apps, frequency, ask questions, or you can quit the app. So you know that's this basic menu there. Encoder is that, so you can have it on advanced or default. Leave it on advanced, just leave it there, so you know, just leave it there. The advanced option supports the pause function, and the default is more stable according to this. It says only enable bottom option if you are facing green screen problems. So you know, just for that. The magic button, that says single tap on top right corner of screen to pause, resume, double tap to stop, long touch to draw. Alright, so you can draw on the screen and stuff like that. I think you need to pay $2.99 for that feature. The stop options, you guys have stop by notification. As you guys see the camera icon next to my hotspot there on the top left of my screen. You guys got show blinking dot, as you guys can see right there. Single tap on the dot to pause the video or resume, and double tap the dot to stop. You can stop when the screen is off. That's disabled, but you can enable if you want. Stop on shakes. If you guys shake the phone or whatever, it will stop the recording, and you can enable a time limit, which I recommend you guys don't do, because AZ screen recorder doesn't have a time limit or watermark. Video configurations, you got a whole bunch of settings here. You can record in any resolution that your device allows you to support up to. You can record anywhere from 240p to 1440p, so that's cool. I got it in 1440p. Frame rate, you can have it from 24 to 60 frames per second. The bit rate, just leave it at auto. You can check out all these bit rates here, but just leave it at auto. Orientation, I got it in portrait mode right now, and this is gonna be in portrait mode the entire video. Before you guys do a video, select your orientation. So if you guys want to play a game, do it in landscape mode. If you guys want to do like if you guys want to record something like, let's say, the screen recorder, you guys use it in portrait mode. You can have it on auto, but don't do it. Just either select portrait or landscape mode. Time lapse, you can have the video speeds there. I have it disabled. Record audio. Internal audio recording is not available. Internal audio recording is not allowed by Google now, so you can't record whatever. You can have it turned off, but just leave it on, I guess. Text and logo, so you can have a text or logo on here. If you click on text logo, you guys see text. There's my text right there. You can change it to anything you want. You can have your channel name or whatever you want. Font, you can have it in all these different fonts here. So you guys can have it in any font you want, pretty much. You can change the color. If you guys recording a white screen, use a black color. If you guys recording a black screen, use a white color, whatever. If you guys are using a dark color, if you guys recording a dark color screen, use white or whatever, so y'all guys can see the text better. Background color, you can have it any color you want. Text size, just leave it at 30. You don't want it too big, but you don't want it too small either. You can cut the text on or off. You can also have a logo. You can choose any image that you want. The size, you can have it 20%. Just leave it at 20%, guys. Just leave it. I'm gonna cut the logo off. Show touches. So you guys touch something, it will just show it up here. So yeah, if you guys do touch it, so you can say so if you guys see that little dot, it showed it showed like a little dot. So you can have it on or off. I'm gonna have that off. You can show camera. You can show how the camera faster by adding the camera button to the bubble controller. Time recording. You can show time duration. You can have it in the you can have it in left top, right bottom, left bottom, center top, right corner, center bottom, left center. I'll cut that off. You can have countdown to start. You can have it on or off. Countdown value. You can have the this leave at 3 seconds. Control type. You can have a bar or bubble. If you have bubble option, you can have all these features here. You can have your settings, screenshot, record, live stream, gallery editor, minimize camera featured apps. Keep notification on exit. Turn it on to record with notification whenever you want. Disable view pop-up, so when you guys get done, you guys will see a little pop-up video, a little pop-up thing of your video. You can have it on or off. I think you had to pay for that. Output directly. You can have it set to your internal memory or SD card. I recommend you set it to your SD card, guys, if your phone supports it. So you go here, you guys will have your videos here in this area, and your screenshots will be right here. So yeah, you guys click out here and you can drag down the notification. You guys can draw on the screen. So you guys see the little paint, the paint thing up there, the paint thing. You click on that. You can draw whatever you want. Let's say, and you can choose any color you want. Say, subscribe. See that you can do that. You could you can make the thing bigger. You can make the thing smaller. You can do that. You can do that. You can also exit out, but that's hitting the X. You can also stop the notification up here, but you can also stop, and you can do it You can do it from the red dot there. So, that's pretty much it of the AC Screen Recorder. If you guys want to get all the features, it's $2.99. It's a one-time payment of $2.99, and I recommend you guys get the full version of this screen recorder. It's the best screen recorder on Android, in my opinion. I've been using it for the last couple of years. It's great. You can record anything you want. Whichever one you can record whatever you want. Basically, there's no time limit, no watermarks. You can add text. You can add a logo to it if you guys want to. You know, it's pretty cool. So yeah, guys. So if you guys want to check out this app, I'll put a link to it in the description video. If you guys want to check it out on the Play Store, it's worth checking out, guys. It's the best screen recording app. It's awesome. It's awesome, and the Pro version is way better. Get the Pro version for $2.99. It's a one-time payment, and you guys will be glad that you did. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.